Hello everyone. Welcome to Vidya Mandir IIT in itself. I am Sandeep Patil. We are discussing a very basic chapter, atomic structure or structure of an atom. So there, models, atomic models. The first model of an atom we discussed yesterday. कौन सा था वो? J.J. Thomson's model, pum pudding model of an atom. Pum pudding model of an atom. Now, today we will see alpha ray scattering experiment. That experiment जिन्होंने या जिसने पूरा जो कंसेप्शन है एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर का बदल डाला. दैट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मार्क or very important stage of the development of atomic structure, that is Rutherford's model, or some people pronounce very correctly that is Rutherford's model of an atom. Let us see what is the alpha ray scattering experiment. Okay, here in this experiment Rutherford took a very thin gold foil. Very thin gold foil. See here, this thin gold foil here I am showing. Okay, a very thin gold foil was taken. Okay, 0.004. The size of this is 0.0004 meter. Very less. Such a thin gold foil was taken. Why a very thin gold foil was taken? So that the atoms are scattered. So that we can discuss an atom separately. We can study the atom. Suppose a very dense material is taken, we cannot study the atom individually. Therefore, very thin gold foil was taken. Very thin gold foil was taken for alpha ray scattering experiment. Now what Rutherford did, after taking this thin gold foil, in this box, here in this box he took a radioactive source. Radioactive source in the sense it may be radium, particularly polonium. Okay, क्या करते हो? They emit radiations जो कि अल्फा पार्टिकल्स. ओके, अल्फा पार्टिकल इमिट जो करते हैं उसका सोर्स उन्होंने इस बॉक्स में लिया. ये लेड बॉक्स है, लेड बॉक्स. एंड व्हाई ही टुक द लेड बॉक्स, you have to answer in the comment box. Are you getting? It is a story of nuclear chemistry or nuclear physics. Alright, so polonium or radium, a source of alpha particle. जिस सब्सटेंस से अल्फा पार्टिकल निकले उसको सोर्स बोलते हैं. So source of alpha particle was taken here, polonium या रेडियम. और यहां से ये छोटा सा जो ओपनिंग है, इस ओपनिंग से here alpha particles were bombarded. Bombardment. So with high speed, the particles were bombarded on thin gold foil. And after bombarding the alpha particles on a thin gold foil, what observations were obtained by Rutherford? Let us see. What were the observations of the bombardment of alpha particles on thin gold foil? Let us see. The first, what you can say, observation is that, so here suppose a thin gold foil is kept and I am the alpha particle. Okay, just I am going like this, just go. What is the meaning? Many of the alpha particles pass through the gold foil. Almost 99% of the alpha particles are just passing the gold foil without any deflection और डेविएशन, दो चीज, दो वर्ड्स मैंने बताए, मीनिंग सेम है, विदाउट एनी डिफ्लेक्शन और डेविएशन. ऑलराइट, meaning most, how much, 99% of the alpha particles pass without any deviation. दूसरा ऑब्जर्वेशन है स्मॉल एंगल डेविएशन देखा गया है. few particles pass through small angle deviation, or very few alpha particles 180 degree angle से आते हैं. What is 180 degree angle? So they will go and come back. That means they are bounced back. They retrace the same path. गया और जैसे गया वैसे आया पीछे. Are you getting? So 3 major observations, only 3. In many textbooks, so much what you can say lengthy things are given. We are not interested in that. Competitive and correct, up to the mark we have to learn the basics. See, after bombarding the alpha particles on a thin gold foil, what happened here? Most of the, what is the observation? क्या देखा उसने? Okay, उन्होंने Sir Ernest Rutherford, very important scientist. Okay, so most of the alpha particles pass without any deviation. Few pass with small angle deviation. Very few pass with large angle deviation, or very extremely less particle retrace the same path. ये अगर ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं तो साहब कंक्लूजन क्या है? You should understand that. Everybody should understand in science how science progresses. We do the experiment, we observe, we conclude. This is science. Okay, what is science? We observe, no, we conclude, no, experimentation, observation, and then we come to a conclusion or inference. What is the conclusion or inference of alpha ray scattering experiment? Okay, the first one, conclusion, here I am writing here. You see, much of the atom is a hollow sphere. Hollow, hollow sphere. उसमें कुछ नहीं, just much of the empty space is there. Okay, that is a hollow sphere. पोकड़ी. Are you getting? In Marathi we call it as, right? So much of the atom is a hollow sphere. Are you getting? So small angle deviation साहब क्या दिखाता है? I will tell you. Suppose here separately I will take. Here suppose ये न्यूक्लियस है एटम का, और ये बहुत सारा पार्ट, ये ऐसे what you can say, those are shells. So alpha particles are passing without any deviation. This shows that कि ये जो बीच में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, ये बीच में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है साहब, इनका तो मास बहुत कम है और चार्ज नेगेटिव चार्ज, राइट? सो अल्फा पार्टिकल ये क्या है? अल्फा पार्टिकल्स आर नथिंग बट 2He4, हीलियम के न्यूक्लियस है. द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ हीलियम एटम, द बंडल ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल्स आर नथिंग बट हीलियम न्यूक्लियस, एंड हीलियम न्यूक्लियस इज अल्फा पार्टिकल्स आर पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एंड हेवी भी है, पॉजिटिवली चार्ज भी है. तो ये छोटे जिनको अपन पिल्लू बोलेंगे, पिल्लू इलेक्ट्रॉन का वो नहीं पूछेंगे, they will just go and bombard. So very few large angle deflection. What it shows कि electrons because of negative charge and low mass क्या होता है? They are not effective. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर, सो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उनको रोक नहीं सकते, आराम से पास हो जाएंगे। कौन कौन? अल्फा पार्टिकल्स। ओके, देन another very important thing, another very important thing you can understand कि there is a heavy positive charge inside the an atom, because if there is a positive charge, if there is a positive charge like this, okay, and then the alpha particles are also positive charged, okay, so any ray coming very near to the positive repel, वेरी नियरर लार्ज एंगल डिविएशन, थोड़ा सा बाजू में जा रहा है स्मॉल एंगल डिविएशन, बिल्कुल सामने से आ रहा है रीट्रेस द सेम पाथ। देखिए कैसा है, एक छोटा सा हम क्या करेंगे, ये देखिए, विल टेक दिस, सपोज दिस इज अ न्यूक्लियस, एंड न्यूक्लियस यू नो ऑफ एन एटम इज वेरी स्मॉल and it is positively charged. How it is understood nucleus is positively charged? Because you are bombarding alpha particles, very few alpha particles retrace the same path, so ये जो जगह है ना बहुत कम है, very small pass through large angle deviation, जो न्यूक्लियस के बहुत बाजू में जा रहे हैं लार्ज एंगल डिविएशन, न्यूक्लियस से जरा सा हट रहे यहां स्मॉल एंगल डिविएशन। अनदर थिंग, द नंबर ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल्स जिन्होंने 180 डिग्री से ट्रेस किया है, रिट्रेस द सेम पाथ, कितने हैं वो? साहब बहुत कम है। कितने हैं? वेरी मीन्स एक्सट्रीमली लेस। सो एक्सट्रीमली लेस इसका मतलब क्या है कि जो न्यूक्लियस है ना, न्यूक्लियस का साइज बहुत कम है, बहुत छोटा सा न्यूक्लियस है एज कंपेयर टू द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ एन एटम। सो फ्रॉम दिस observations and conclusion, Rutherford gave a new atomic model known as Rutherford's model of an atom, a very important breakthrough in atomic structure, that is Rutherford's atomic model. Coming in the next part, Rutherford's atomic model and its limitations, its drawbacks, and then we will move to the Bohr's model. Keep watching, keep enjoying chemistry, keep asking questions. That is very important.